Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the download location on YouTube. Now, how to do this? It's very important for you to know that you need to have YouTube Premium, right? And once you have YouTube Premium on your computer and you also have the same account on your phone, then you're able to change the download location. And let me show you how to actually do this. You want to go ahead and open up YouTube on your phone. As you can see, I am in YouTube right here. Then click your profile on the lower right. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on where it shows the settings gear on the upper right. Now from here, you want to scroll down and you want to look for background and downloads. Or if you don't see background and downloads, you should see at least downloads. So you click on that. Now from here, scroll down towards the bottom and you will find available storage. Now you will be able to see if you have more storage. So for example, if you have a SD card or whatever on your phone, you can switch to that SD card. You can easily toggle on or use that SD card. But in my case right now, I only have just my phone storage and that's what's only available to me. But this is where you'll be able to choose the storage. And so you'll be able to change the download location. But for now, I have only my in phone storage and this is the only available storage that is there for me. And that's it. But that's how you're able to change the download location on YouTube. Very easy and very simple.